Hi everyone, this is Soumya Paul, a mentor at Code Cardos, and today is day 11 of our DSA series. Today we won't be studying about any concept in data structures or any new question. Today I just want to tell you how to prepare for DSA for any good product based company. Very recently in the past 1 month I gave interviews for both Amazon and Google and I've cracked both of them. And I'll be joining Amazon soon. So in this video, I'll be quickly showing you how do I prepare for DSA. Now, first of all, I expect that you know DSA properly, completely thoroughly each and every topic. And especially if you're preparing for really good companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, etc. You need to know the topics such as graphs, trees, binary trees, recursion, dynamic programming, tries, etc. Because these companies don't stop at just the basic data structures like linked list, stacks, queues. They really drill down on these complex data structures. And if you don't know these data structures, then the best place to learn these data structures is nothing but Code Cardos. So do join us at Code Cardos. But if you already know these data structures, then straight away head to Leetcode. Once you come to Leetcode, click here on problems. You'll be seeing all the problems. But you want to solve problem for a particular company. Suppose you're preparing for Amazon. So here in the trending companies here, search for a company. Suppose you want to prepare for Amazon. So choose Amazon here. And now you can see all the questions, all the 1969 questions that have been asked in Amazon at some point in time. Okay. Now, obviously, you cannot do 1969 questions. That's very difficult. So what you can do is, here, simply choose past 30 days, 3 months, 6 months, more than 6 months, all. If you choose all, you'll see it will come here as 1969. But don't worry about all. Just choose 3 months. If you choose past 3 months, it shows 420. So there are 420 Leetcode questions which were asked by Amazon interviews in the last 3 months. Now here you can sort it based on frequency in decreasing order of frequency. This means the question that was repeated the most number of times will come at the top. So if you pick this question, you see that this was asked in companies, this was asked by Amazon 69 times. Can you imagine? In the past 3 months only, about 69 times this question was asked in the interviews. And 69 times is what it's recorded. The actual number of times this question might have been asked may have been much, much more. Isn't it? Similarly, if you scroll down, yeah, I've done a lot of these questions since I was preparing for Amazon. You can see here 274 questions. Yeah, if you scroll down, say quite far away, yeah. So if you take a look at the last one, you will see that this question has been asked in Amazon just 2 times. Just 2 times. Now, obviously, even 420 questions, if you're able to do all these 420 questions, that is enough, more than enough. You can blindly clear any Amazon interview very easily, very easily. But obviously, you cannot do all 420 questions. Again, 420 is also a huge number. But I do expect you to do somewhat between 250 to 300. Okay. So start from the top and keep doing these questions. And at least do 250. Do somewhat between 250 to 300. If you have done the top 250 to 300 questions, I can assure you that you will be able to clear any Amazon interview. Same goes for any other company as well, be it Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Oracle, etc. Okay. So this is how you have to prepare. Okay. And if you do the top 250, 300 questions, then any other question is also kind of an expansion on the previous questions with a very similar pattern. So even if the interviewer asks you a question which does not belong to the first top 250, 300 questions, even then it will seem very similar to you. And you will be able to solve it very easily in the interviews. Okay. So Leetcode was, is, and always be the most holy book, the most visited website, and one of the most important resources for all us software developers who are preparing to move into really high paying product based companies. Okay. So keep practicing, keep studying. I'll see you all in the next video in our DSA series. And if you want to solve these many 250, 300, 350 lead code questions, then do join Code Cardos.